Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at some of the best brokers you can use. This is a question that I get all the time in all my social media platforms. People keep asking me, hey, Ken, which broker can I use to buy the best stocks in the US, the best stocks in the UK, some stocks in China, everywhere in the world, basically. Some people come to me and ask me, where can I get the best broker to trade Forex, for instance? I want to trade commodities, for instance? I want to trade Forex, for instance. How do I know which is the best broker to use for these particular purposes? And today I'm going to be answering those questions. I'm going to give you a list of some of the best international brokers in the country, the best ones and the most popular and the most highly rated. And remember, I'm someone who is quite keen on the kind of broker you use, because I tell you that's like your bank. The same way you are keen on what kind of bank do you open is the same way you should be keen on what kind of broker do you open, because essentially the broker is keeping your money. The broker has your money. You need to know if they're customer friendly. You need to know if their platform is something you can use. You need to know if they are regulated. You need to know if their management is good. You need to know their history. So there are different factors you want to look into. And I always tell people, don't just choose a broker because you're choosing a broker. Choose a broker because you're sure with the kind of broker you're choosing and you're comfortable with them and you're comfortable leaving your money in the account. In this era of investing, whereby you have to invest anyway, you must use some kind of investment account. And these are some of the risks we take as investors. But as you take that risk, make sure you've done enough research, enough analysis, and you know exactly the level of risk you're taking. So it makes no sense to take just an obvious risk whereby you think that the platform doesn't really make sense. It's a weird platform. They don't help you. The customer service is poor. The trading fees are high, for instance. It makes your work more difficult. So you are basically increasing your risk in that platform. So what I do when I do this research is I reduce the amount of risk you're taking as a person, make it easy for you to make the choice, and then you can always go and check out the specific ones that I've told you and see which one you want to use. So please, when it comes to choosing a broker, I want you to be extremely careful, because that's where your money is going to be as you trade, as you invest. And this is not only for traders, by the way. For investors as well, you might want to buy stocks in the US, in China, in Germany, in the UK, anywhere. You might want to trade Forex. You might want to trade commodities. You might want to trade futures and options. You might want to trade special metals. Anything you want to trade, you have to use a platform. And therefore, it underscores how important these platforms are. So without further ado, let's get into the list. It's a long list, but I'm just going to be focused on specific things that actually matter, things that you should be looking out for, and things that will determine which one. So I'm going to start with my best ones and the ones I've actually used. I actually use them up to now. Some of them that I use are not in the list because they're not available to my larger audience or to my main audience, but these ones are available for people in Kenya mainly and in Africa generally. If you look at Uganda, Tanzania, Ghana, Nigeria, most of these ones will be available. So the first one in my case is Pesa. Pesa has one of the best platforms. Why do I like it? And by the way, Pesa is linked below. If you use my link, you will get some awesome trading commissions. Anyway, use my link below to open a demo account or open a live account. But I use Pesa. It's an amazing platform. I've done so many videos on Pesa, and I think if you're a starter or a beginner, this is the best place to begin. Their customer service is really good. So they respond, they talk to you, you can reach them. They are based in Kenya, they have an office there as well. But besides having an office there, they are regulated internationally in different jurisdictions. So you are safe, your money is safe. The trading platform is quite friendly. That's a very big thing, right? You want to have a platform that you find friendly to use. It's like a phone, right? If you find a phone that is like so complicated to use, then it becomes a problem using it all the time. And they do have different platforms in this case. So they have the MT4, they have the MT5, they have the web platform as well, which you can just open on your web. No need to download anything. They have the mobile version. So what are you looking for? So Pesa has one of the best platforms for trading. You can trade ETFs, you can trade stocks, international stocks, you can trade Forex. So open an account, let me know how it's doing. If you have any issues, reach out to me. The link is below. This is one of the best platforms in Kenya today. That's the first one. The second one, which I talk about all the time and is also well regulated and has all these amazing features, is Interactive Brokers. You want to buy international stocks, you want to invest in the S&P 500, you want to invest in Apple, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Nvidia, Adobe, IBM, all these nice stocks that you want to put money in that are giving us great returns. you can get into Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers has low trading fees. It has high interest on your cash balances, has a wide range of things that you can trade in. It's regulated by the FCA, which is in the UK, SEC in the US, and ESIC in Australia. That gives you a very good confidence in this as a company or as an investment platform. Then the next one that I use is IG platform. IG is one of the best platforms as well. It has a very nice Forex trading platform. It's easy to use, it's straightforward, it's intuitive. It has lots of educational content in there as well. It has really good research tools, so you can always do your research while you do your trading. It has a range of instruments that you can actually trade, and then it is regulated in the UK, that's FCA. It's regulated in Germany, which is BaFin. It's regulated in Australia with ASIC as well. So there is great confidence. I've used them for many years now. I have no issue with them. Their customer service is actually quite good as well, and one of the best platforms you can use to do international trading if you want to buy things internationally. Then we have Admiral Markets or Admiral Markets. Easy to open accounts, easy to withdraw your money, and easy to deposit your money. That's a very important point because you want to be sure that you can easily put in money and you can easily take out money. And this is something I mention all the time. If it's your money and you put it somewhere, the ease of taking it out should be as straightforward as putting that money in. So you make sure that you're getting a platform that makes this process quite straightforward. So Admiral Markets makes that process quite straightforward. So if you are more focused on what's your need is to take your money out fast or deposit very fast or get in and out so many times, or use that as like a holding place for some money, Admiral Markets will be the best place to be. Again, opening an account is quite easy as well. It has good research tools on the platform, and it's regulated by FCA in the UK and ESIC in Australia. Gives you good confidence in that platform. Then we have OANDA. OANDA is one of the best and the most popular platforms in the world. Great research tools in there, easy platform to use, it's very intuitive, and amazing research tools. And the other thing is, it's very easy to open an account with OANDA. Like I said, you want to make sure that the account you're opening is straightforward to open. They have an amazing intuitive interface that you can easily use, a customer-friendly interface that you can use. You also want to make sure it has great research tools because you want to do your research while you're trading. So you want to have information, you want to do fundamental analysis, you want to do technical analysis, you want to do charting. This is one of the best platforms you could actually use. So OANDA is regulated in the UK, FCM, regulated in Canada by CIRO, and regulated in Australia by ESIC as well. So three great countries that are very strict on their regulations. That gives you confidence in that platform that you don't have to worry. Then we have Capital.com. I've used this platform as well. Capital.com is quite good with Forex trading. So if you're a Forex trader, this one you might want to use. It has great account, easy to use an account, straightforward to open an account with them. They have low trading fees, which is a big plus for them. Low trading fees is a big thing because when you're trading, you want to make sure that you limit your fees as much as possible. So some platforms can be good, but they charge you really high trading fees as well. So with Capital.com, you have really low trading fees, especially if someone is trading Forex. It means you're in and out of the market often. You put so many trades even within a day. You want to ensure that you limit your fees as much as possible. So Capital.com is one of the best in this area as well. It also has excellent customer service, which is a big thing for me. And it's regulated both in the UK and Australia by FCA and ESIC respectively. So that makes it a very good platform, well regulated, and you can be sure that your money is safe. Then we have NinjaTrader, has low trading fees, which is an amazing thing. An amazing easy platform to use and has great research tools and educational materials that you can use. So again, some platforms provide you with a lot of educational material, which is a big thing. You want to make sure that you can always learn as you progress, as you get better, and you can get all this free, easy information, basic information that you might want to get. And by the way, if you're looking for a nice strategy, if you're looking for a way to trade Forex, if you're looking for someone to help you, I focus mainly on giving you a very specific strategy that I use and train you in that strategy. So I prefer someone who has some basic knowledge about Forex because I don't want to waste your time trying to teach you the basic stuff that you should actually find on these platforms and these educational websites. So if you want to just learn a very specific strategy, reach out to me on my website. I'm going to link it down here and written down here as well. Tell me your level, let's discuss and see how we can move your trading forward. Anyways, back to our list. NinjaTrader is one of the best, regulated by CFTC in the US. So that gives you again confidence in the regulation and the legal aspect of this. Then we have Forex.com, has good low trading fees, very good for Forex traders as well. Has a good platform. It's regulated in the US, in the UK, and in Australia. So forex.com is a good one as well. Then we have IC Markets, has been there for a long time, have a good history, good management, is spread all over the world with good regulations, good platform as well, very intuitive, amazing customer service, user friendly. So IC Markets has been there for a while. If you want to trade mainly commodities, if you want to trade stocks, ETFs, this is the best place to go. Last but not least, we have Alpaca Trading, a great platform, great trading fees, and the best thing about Alpaca Trading is that it has free trading in stocks and ETFs. So if you're looking for a free trade in stock and ETF, you go to Alpaca Trading. They also have great chatting tools, and it is regulated by the SEC in the US and a member of FINRA in the US. So these are some of the best platforms you want to use for your trading, for buying international stocks for 2024. So please don't come asking me, hey Ken, what should I use? Watch the video. You will always have the tools you can use for this purpose.